Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to the channel. This is day 4 of the Vlogtober, and what I wanted to come to you with today, I wanted to share some of my fall favorites with you. Now with these fall favorites, I wanted to share things that you can actually go into a store and get. You don't have to search and hunt online. These things are affordable and accessible to you, and they just happen to be my fall favorites. So we're just going to jump right in. Now the first item or items I will share, it so happens to be at my kitchen sink, and you already knew I was going there. The Mrs. Meyer's cleaning or clean day products. The fall scent of orange clove is my absolute fave. These products are very affordable. You can find them on Grove Collaborative as well as in Target. And I'm also loving the acorn spice. Both of these scents are amazing to me. Next, let's take a trip over to my coffee station, and you will see these maple leaf cream cookies from Aldi. These have been my favorite for a couple of years now. And I know when I open this box, they won't last long. Now continuing at my coffee station, another favorite of mine is the pumpkin spice Grand Cafe collection that I pick up every year at Marshall's. You get 18 K-cups for $5.99. That's not a bad deal at all. And I'd rather have this instead of a Starbucks coffee. So my last favorite is by Bath and Body Works. Guys, I love the sweater weather scent. OMG. I've been loving this scent for years, and when Bath and Body Works run the candles and the soaps on sale, I run there. They've had a sale on the candles with $10 off, and they had the soaps for $3 last weekend, so I ran to stock up on the soaps. Yes, the sweater weather is one of my absolute faves at Bath and Body Works. Well, I hope you've enjoyed some of my fall favorites. Let me know in the comments section, what are some of your favorites for fall? I would love to know. Some of these items have been favorites of mine for a couple of years, many years, and I just so happen to love them. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I hope you decide to stay with us. And if you do, it's very simple. All you need to do is push that subscribe button, that red subscribe button, and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget to ring the notification bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I am trying to reach 20,000 subscribers by the end of the year. We are so close. So I would appreciate all of your help and support. I'm like in the church when they say tell your neighbor and tell your friend. Tell your neighbor and tell your friend about Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. To all of my faithful and returning Diva family members, you all know you hold a special place in my heart. I love you guys so much. I love interacting with you, and I'm glad that you are here. Now on tomorrow, Saturday, I am co-hosting a collaboration with one of my beautiful YouTube sisters, and I hope that you join us tomorrow. Now my regular Vlogtober, let me get it right, will be Monday through Friday, and the videos will upload at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Now, if I participate in a collaboration or a challenge, I'll let you know, and it will be different, and I'll let you know the day before. So you'll be looking out for the videos. But regularly for this Vlogtober, I'm doing it for weekdays only, Monday through Friday, and they will upload at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And excuse that, that's my ring doorbell going off because baby boy is going for his morning run. But anyway, I hope you have a blessed day. You take care. You be blessed. And I will see you on the next video, which is a special video, a special collab for tomorrow. So you have a blessed day.